And we were going to start yesterday and suddenly my computer
Yeah.
shut down. So determine the points of intersection of the functions. So you will tell me the functions and I'll tell you how to proceed here. First function is your f of x is equal to what is it?
Is equal to 2 by x square minus 1.
And another one is,
G of x
yeah, g of x.
equals x plus x by x plus 1.
X by x plus 1, right? Fine. So if you equate them like 2 by x square minus 1 equated to x by x plus 1. One thing which you have to keep in mind here is that both the functions should be defined. So if you see here that 2 by x square minus 1 is a function, so you have to specify here that what are the points where it is not defined. So you know that x square minus 1 should not be equal to 0, which means x square should not be equal to 1, which means x should not be equal to plus minus 1. So this is the condition for this to be defined. Here, the denominator is x plus 1, which should not be equal to 0. So x should not be equal to minus 1. So overall, we find that x should not be equal to 1 and minus 1, and here minus 1. Now, if we equate them, we write it like this: 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to x by x plus 1. We write it like this. And what we do next is we can cancel this x plus 1, because since we are talking that x is not equal to minus 1, both the places, so this can be get cancelled. But keep in mind that we are cancelling it because x is not equal to minus 1. So this will become 2 by x minus 1 is equal to x. Now we will cross multiply. So 2 is equal to x square minus x. So we will say x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So when we'll do the middle term splitting, it will be x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So it would be x common into x minus 2 and plus 1 common into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So if x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2. If x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. But this one you can't accept. Why? Because it is already mentioned that x is not equal to minus 1. So the answer is x is equal to 2. Now writing only x is equal to 2 is not enough. You have to find y also. So fx is 2 by x square minus 1. Fx is 2 by x square minus 1. So either you put x is equal to 2 here, or gx is equal to x by x plus 1. Either you put here. Both will give you the same value, because this is the solution now. You can check also. Suppose you put it here. So 2 by 2 square minus 1. This will be 2 by 3. And if you put it here, 2 by 2 plus 1, 2 by 3. So which means that the y coordinate is 2 by 3. So point of intersection when you will write is x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 2 by 3. This will be your answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You can start writing from here.
So can you scroll down? So can you scroll down? Answer.
Okay.
So can you see?
Yes, yes, I can see. Judy and Greg have a large property to maintain. They usually work together to mow their lawn. Judy uses the riding mower and Greg the pusher mower. Together, it takes them 45 minutes to mow the lawn. On her own, Judy can mow the lawn in 1 hour with the riding mower. How long would it take Greg to mow the lawn on his own using the push mower? To solve this problem, let T represent the time T in minutes it takes Greg to mow the lawn on his own. So Judy can mow one lawn in 60 minutes. So she works at a rate of 1 by 60 of a lawn per minute. Greg can mow lawn in 15 minutes. He can work at this rate. One lawn in 45 minutes. 45 of a lawn per minute. Okay. So what happens here actually? First you go through this whole slide step by step, then I will explain it to you.
Okay. So why is it? Why does she work at 1/60 of a blonde per minute?
That I will explain you. First, go through this.
Okay, okay.
Whatever you don't understand, that I will explain. This is okay?
Yeah, that one is okay, sir.
Okay. Now I will explain this.
Yeah.
You just tell me the Greg and who is the other one?
I'll tell you, sir. I can read it out.
That you will tell me. Okay. So how much time they are taking? Can you tell me to mow the lawn or to?
Judy can mow one lawn in 60 minutes.
Okay, Judy takes to completely mow the lawn is 60 minutes.
So she works at the rate of 1/60.
Okay, that I will explain.
And
Okay,
then Greg can mow one lawn in T minutes. T.
3 minutes. Okay. And together, if they are mowing the lawn, then they are
It's in
taking
45
5
minutes.
minutes. Right. So what is happening here actually, you can think like this, that there is a lawn. Lawn you can consider as one work. It is a work given to someone. Now, if Judy is doing that particular work, whether mowing a lawn or digging earth or taking water out of well or similar work, any work can be given in the question. So if that particular work or anything is being done in 60 minutes by Judy, so in 1 minute, how much lawn is Judy mowing? So it will be 1/60. That is common sense. Like total, there are 60 parts of a lawn. Consider that a lawn is divided into 60 parts, equal parts, like this. And it takes Judy to completely mow the lawn in 60 minutes. So if we say that in 1 minute, how many she is mowing? So she is mowing only 1/60 of it. Isn't it so?
Yeah.
Total is 1. And she is taking 60 minutes to mow the whole lawn. So in 1 minute, she is mowing actually 1/60 of the lawn. Fine. So that is what
Yep.
they are calling is rate of mowing the lawn. That is called rate of mowing the lawn by Judy. That is in 1 minute, how much of the lawn is she mowing? Similarly, 1 minute, in 1 minute, how much lawn is Greg mowing? That will be 1/T. Suppose T is 30. So 30 minutes it is taking. So in 1 minute, 1/30 of the lawn, he will completely mow. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Fine. That is rate of mowing the lawn by Greg. Now together, if they are working, they are taking it 45 minutes to mow the lawn. So 1 minute, in 1 minute, write in also here, in 1 minute, here also in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, how much lawn they can mow together? So that will be 1 by 45. That is, if total time they are taking is 45 minutes. So in 1 minute, 45 part of that lawn they will, 45th part of that lawn they will be able to mow. Now, individually, they are mowing in 1 minute 1 by 60 and 1 by t, together 1 by 45. So they will say that 1 by 60 plus 1 by t is equal to 1 by 45, where t is obviously greater than 0 because time cannot be negative, minutes is not in negative. So this is how they come to this conclusion, that they are individually in 1 minute mowing this much of the lawn, together how much lawn they can mow in 1 minute. So we equate the both the parts with the together one. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now next is to solve it. Solving it is not so difficult. It is 1 by t is equal to 1 by 45 minus 1 by 60. So LCM would be 15 is there, 3 is there, and 4 is there. So it will become 4, 3, 12 into 15, 180. So it will become 4 minus 3, so 1 by 180. So t will be equal to 180 minutes. So Greg is taking 180 minutes to mow the whole. Are you getting it?
So so can I write this?
Yeah.
Okay, scroll down. Yeah, yeah, done, sir. Press screenshot. Okay, see.
They also got t is equal to 108. They have done
Hmm.
calculation in a more complex way that was, I think, not required.
Okay.
This much of difficult calculation was not needed. So anyway, the way we calculated is fine. Yeah. Just come to the next one.
Oh, yeah.
This was the next one, or that was the next one?
This one, sir.
This one. Okay, this is the next to that. So, what was that? This was this sixth slide.
Oh, and sixth line, just a minute. Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you try to solve this?
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, first should I do the LCM because I
Yes,
got x plus p by x minus 3. It
yeah,
equals to 1
correct.
by x.
1 by x square.
Sorry, yeah, 1 by x. So now should I do the cross multiplication and then solve further?
Yes. But one thing you have to keep in mind that on the left hand side, whatever you are getting, and on the right side, whatever you are getting, the denominator should not be 0. So you have to write that condition also separately.
So, but then this will become cube, right?
Yeah, so
That's
you can
fine.
do the cube. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I got 3x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 3.
1 second. 2x minus x. How will you get 3x cube? Isn't it x cube only?
No, it's x cube plus 3x square minus x
Okay,
plus
okay.
3
1 second. 1 second. Plus 3x square is fine. Then
minus x
minus x is also fine.
plus 3
Yeah, then it is fine.
equals 0. So now should I do log division?
No, why will you do log division? There is no divisor. How will you divide it?
Okay. So is this the final answer or
You have to get x now. So you have to see what are its factors, what are the rows.
okay. Uh,
We used to do this like this. What have you got? Can you tell me again? It was x cube.
x cube plus 3x square
Okay.
minus x plus
Okay.
3.
Is equal to 0. This is what you have got, right?
Yeah.
So how would you get factors? You have to find any one zero. So if there is a rational zero, then it would be either this constants factors 1 and 3 divided by the factor of the coefficient of the highest power, that is 1 is only here. So 1 by 1 and 3 by 1, two possibilities are there with a plus minus sign. So you check for them. Can they be the roots of this?
So I should try these factors.
Yeah. 1
Okay.
minus 1, 3 minus 3. Check for them. Anyone is satisfying it.
Okay. Uh,
I don't think any of them is satisfying.
So no, I did. It's all.
Can you once again show me the question?
Yeah, yeah.
2x minus x is x plus 3, that is fine. Now x plus 3 into x square is x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 3, fine. So we have got it correct. But
So, but minus one, I'm not getting. One plus one also, I'm not getting.
yeah, I'm also not getting.
So is this wrong?
Either you can say that there is no solution of x, but that is also how you can say, because if it is not having the rational root, it does not mean that it will not have the irrational root. It may have the irrational roots. That is,
Yeah,
then there is no way to find out the irrational roots. Have they given any solution or something?
I can check the videos. So can you see?
No, I can't see.
1 minute. So can you see?
No, I'm not able to.
Yeah.
Now, now it may appear. It is saying Sathya has started screen sharing, but still
1 minute,
nothing
sir.
is coming.
Yeah.
So they have taken x is equal to minus 3.5. Okay. Can you
That's it, sir.
That is it. Can
I
you
think that's it. Yeah.
play this video? Can you play this video from here?
Yeah, 1 minute, so it's stuck. Just a minute. So that's it.
So how will we get x is equal to minus 3.5? There should be some method now. They have written the final answer.
Oh,
Either they
1
have
minute,
used
sir.
some software to
1
solve the
minute, sir.
cubic equation. But minus 3.5 is a rational root. How it is not coming? That is 7 by 2.
I've shared sound. Just a minute.
From here, if we
So
take the
it's not
factors,
going to be
3
defined.
and 1 are there.
So I'm actually just going to tell us what it is. And there's only one. It's x equals negative 3.
He didn't tell us how we got it, but he just told that's the final answer.
Okay. Then it is okay.
I think we can leave it over here because he told this is not rational, it's irrational, so it won't come like this, but in the thing it came.